This is next to Banana Republic. Wow, that's something else. Here's a cab. Oh yes, it has that chime. Up?
Yes. Oh, you just want to go see?
Do we have a motor?
Guys, I need emotional support.
Okay, I'll give you emotional support.
Don't pinch my cheeks. I'm not a grandma.
Those cheeks.
There you go.
Thank you.
Mhm. I think I'll go back down to 1. Yeah, this mod is something else. I don't know what it was though. EPCO CircleLine. It's got the funny chime. Listen to this. I love the Sensimatic off while crossing chime. There's an old panel. There it goes, and that's it.